Kirtan. Traditionally, Narad Muni is supposed to be the founder of Kirtan tradition. Saint Namdev is known as the first Kirtankar of Maharashtra. Other saints have helped the tradition to flourish. Now, here you can see Narad Muni is supposed to be the founder of Kirtan tradition, and Saint Namdev, he has started in Maharashtra, and other saints have helped this to flourish more and more. The Kirtankar is also known as Haridas and Kathekari Bua. He has to dress in the traditional way. He needs to train himself in oratory, singing, music, instrument, dance and humor. He need to be a very well informed. Kirtan is performed in temple or in the precincts of the temple. Now see your children. The Kirtankar is known as Haridas or Kathekari Bua. Kathekari Bua means he should have well-known knowledge about different types of language. You can see here oratory, and he should also have singing quality, then having musical information, also dance and humor. He needs to be very well informed. The person who is doing kirtan it was done in temple. Now we will see Lalit. Lalit is an old form of entertainment in Maharashtra. It belongs to the tradition of Naradiya Kirtan. It is quite popular in Goa and Konkan. During the performance of Lalit on the occasion of religious festival, it is presumed that the presiding deity of that festival is present on the throne, and then she is invoked for fulfillment of her desire. The invocation continues as follows. Let everybody be granted their desire. Let entire village live in happiness till we perform next Lalit. Let the internal clashes vanish with the performance of Lalit. Let the nobody's mind be spoiled with the prejudice. Let all transaction happen with clear mind. Let the community behavior be pass. See your children. Now this Lalit belonged to actually Naradiya Kirtan, that means Narad Muni. Now it was popular in Goa and Konkan, and the presiding deity or the it was been during that time the people used to realize that the deity was sitting on the throne over there, and you can see the bold letters given over here, children. Here the bold letters are given. This was a type of say prayers they needed for the community of the village, and so they are desiring everything whatever given in the block letters. The Lalit is performed in the theatrical style. Stories of Krishna, Rama and great devotees are presented during the performance. A few texts of Lalit are available in Hindi as well. Lalits form a part of a backdrop of modern Marathi theatre. Old form of Lalit during ancient time, but now they have started it in a modern way, and so it is found in the way of Marathi theatre. Now see again next one. Bharud. Bharud can be described as a metamorphical song that has spiritual and ethical lesson. Bharud is comparable to the style of a road show. Bharud composed by Saint Eknath are popular in Maharashtra because of its wide range of subject, dramatic quality, easy rhymes and humors, rhythms and humors. Now next Bharud. Bharud can be described as a metamorphical song that has spiritual and ethical lesson. Bharud is comparable to the style of the road show. Bharud composed by Saint Eknath are popular in Maharashtra because of its wide range of subject, dramatic quality, easy rhythm and humor, Saint Eknath composed Bharud with the purpose of educating people on various aspects of villages. Now see children, many of the college students, they have the habit of doing road shows. These type of road shows are actually to educate the people. In the same way, in olden days also, Saint Eknath was doing a type of Bharud where people were being educated, so that more and more people come in contact with the happenings of that time, or say the work done by the people of that time. Now next is tamasha. Tamasha is a Persian word. It means pleasing sight. Tamasha developed as an independent art from in the 18th century by absorbing various traits of folk theatre and classical arts. There are two types of traditional tamasha, Sangeet Bari and Dholaki Safar. Dance and music are more important than drama in the Sangeet Bari. Tamasha with drama and the main part was developed later. It includes Wag. The dramatic part little later. The Wag becomes very lively and entertaining because of its spontaneous humor. The show begins by singing the praise of Lord Ganesha, known as Gana. In it is followed with presentation of Gavalan. The second part of Tamasha present the Wag. The popular plays like Vicha Mazi Puri Kara and Pache Lagan. These are example of the modern form of Tamasha. You can see the examples over here. विच्छा माझी पुरी करा आणि गाढवाचे लग्न. Now here they have given the example of these two, and they is to say that slowly it developed into the modern type. Now last one is the Povada. Povada is the dramatic narration by alternatingly reciting poetries and prosaic extract. Povada narrates great deeds of heroic men and women in a very forceful and inspiring style. The Povada composed by Ajna Das, a contemporary poet of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, narrating the incident of the killing of Afzal Khan. And another one, the Battle of Sinhagad, composed by Tulsi Das, a well-known example of Povada. In the British period, Povada narrating the story of Umaji Naik, Chapekar brothers, Mahatma Gandhi were composed during the Samyukt Maharashtra movement. The Povadas were used as a medium of creating public awareness. Now children, Povadas were the dramatic narration. In this type of narration, they is to show that how people fought for the nation, or how they fought for their community or say state. Now you can see during British time as Umaji Naik and Chapekar brothers, also Mahatma Gandhi. So they were saying everything in a type of story or say prayer, but they were narrating it. Now see, we have seen all these type, that means second point we have fully covered all these 8 types of folk theatres we have covered. We saw the wooden puppets, we saw the Shavtara theatre, Bhajan, Kirtan, Lalit, Bharud, Tamasha and Povada. In our next lecture, we will start with the other points, that is Marathi theatre and the remaining part of this lesson. Okay, bye.